Some progress is being made. I mean, it feels like we're moving along and that this house will one day be ready. So I headed out to the house with a bunch of reclaimed wood because that's what we're gonna use for all the shelves and in the closets. A company named Fire on the Mesa in Joshua Tree is doing that for us. I literally felt engulfed in positivity. And then that quickly ended. Here's the problem. We wanted a certain look, and that look was very specialized. We hired someone who said they could do it. What we found out is that person could not do it. We wanted Cadillac. That's a waterproof plaster surface. It's a Moroccan thing. That's what we asked for. That's what we were told could get done. What we were getting instead was concrete counters. We didn't want concrete counters. We asked for Cadillac, we were getting concrete. Just give me a second. I need to walk this off and call in the real MVP. Once again, Taryn stepped in and she fixed things.
Because everything out there is flat.
Oh, she went to work and she found our guy.
I see a little bit of something applied over the corners. It's hard to tell what this is.
So here's the deal. Nicholas Holmes just doesn't do Cadillac. He is like a craftsman. This is his life, like it's ingrained in him. He is not from Morocco, but they should adopt him.
What's happening?
Now, so far we're about $100,000 in the hole in our renovation. We thought we'd spend $125 and have everything done, furniture included, and we still have to landscape the outside, and there's a lot of stuff that has to be done.
Yeah, I mean, my concern is
His concern was the same as ours. This stuff was gonna cost a lot. 3 bathrooms, that showers and vanities, a massive kitchen with a huge island, plus some work in the living room. The price tag for the Cadillac, $42,000, was never in our budget. So at this point, we're burning through money at a record rate. So what do you do when your back's against the wall and you're way over budget? Double down and say go.